Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, wherever you are. This is Al-Tawakol, Executive Board Member in Gila Al-Tawakol Electric, alongside Ahmad Turki, our Head of R&D. And today we're going to be speaking about our journey with C Electric by ETAP. Our agenda for this presentation would be a quick introduction about our company, Gila. We'll be speaking about how and why we decided to make the shift to C Electric. Moving on to the change management challenges that we came across in our implementation of the C Electric. Also, we would like to mention our key developments we implemented along the journey of the integration of the C Electric software in Gila. And finally, we would end our presentation with the best case practices from our journey. So let's start. In the beginning, we will be starting by introducing our company, Gila Al-Tawakol Electric. Gila Al-Tawakol Electric was founded in 1892. It began as a small-scale trading company. Our significant transformation occurred in 1975 when Al-Tawakol acquired Gila, driving the company to become Egypt's leading electrical solutions provider. Today, we are proud to represent well-known global brands such as Schneider Electric, Signify, and much more. With over 120 years of experience, Gila is dedicated to delivering advanced electrical infrastructure, automation, and turnkey solutions across different sectors. Our commitment to innovation ensures that our clients stay ahead in the fast-evolving electrical field. Let's look at some key milestones in our journey. Gila Al-Tawakol Electric has completed over 40,000 successful projects. Thanks to our team of more than 600 specialists dedicated to excellence, we have forged strategic partnerships with industry giants. Additionally, we are pioneers in manufacturing top quality panels in both low voltage and medium voltage. These achievements have positioned Gila as a leader in electric distribution, driving progress through innovation. At Gila, we offer a wide range of cutting-edge electrical services tailored to meet the specific needs of our clients. Our expertise includes power distribution systems and automation, solar energy installations, light current solutions such as fire alarms, CCTV, data centers, and after-sales services. With an unwavering commitment to quality, Gila ensures that every project meets the highest international standards. In a nutshell, if it's electrical, we do it. Looking ahead, Gila Al-Tawakol Electric is committed to advancing Egypt's and Africa's electrical infrastructure through sustainable and innovative solutions. Our vision for the future includes expanding into new markets and adopting emerging technologies. We also aim to position ourselves as leaders in shaping the future of energy. I will be handing over to Ahmad Turki, who will be telling you more about why and how we chose to switch to the C Electric.
Hello everyone, this is Ahmad Turki, Head of R&D, and now I will be speaking about why and how we chose the C Electrical and shifted from our old software. So basically, we needed to change the software we were using for several factors. Yet, it was essential when choosing the new software to find the right balance between three critical factors, which are the time, cost, and quality in making this decision. So our market basically is growing rapidly, and our existing software couldn't keep up with the increasing demand. We needed a solution that could scale efficiently. The speed at which our market evolves is astonishing. To stay competitive, we needed a software that could adapt quickly to changes and new trends, basically an agile software. Our goal was to streamline our processes to be more efficient. We needed the software that offers better tools and features that help us optimize our workflow, also keeping in mind that it has to be user-friendly. By automating more tasks, we can significantly reduce the chances of human error, which in turn improves our overall quality of our art. Ultimately, we needed to boost our productivity in order to keep up with the market demand. We needed a software that provide us with the capabilities to work smarter and faster. Balancing these factors was not easy at all. We had to ensure that this software we choose would not only meet our current needs, but also be a viable option for the future. After careful evaluation of our options, we find basically that what strikes the right balance between the quality, the time, and the cost was the C electric. So basically, after a thorough research, we decided that the C electrical is actually the software that fits all of these criteria. So one of our primary reasons for selecting the C electrical, it was its high compatibility with our existing system and processes. This ensures a smooth transition and integration without significant disruption to our day-to-day operations. C electrical offers extensive customization options, allowing us to tailor-made the software to meet our specific needs and preferences. When it comes to the database specifically, this flexibility is crucial for addressing unique challenges and optimizing our workflow. C electrical is not just a design tool. It provides comprehensive features that supports various aspects in our operations. This includes project management, documentation, and collaboration tools, making it a handy solution for our team, and even in some key developments that we'll be speaking about later in our presentation. So basically integrating a software like the C electrical in our company, Gila Electric, was actually a challenging project. So we faced a huge amount of change management challenges that we'd like to discuss with you currently. So the integration of the C electrical, as I mentioned before, was a complex project aimed at streamlining our electrical engineering processes while ensuring a minimal effect on ongoing process. To ensure a successful transition, we knew that effective change management was paramount. We understood that some of the team members might be apprehensive about these changes, so we focused on open communication and transparency. One of the biggest challenges we faced was the resistance to change. Some of the team members were concerned about the potential impact on their current jobs and roles. To address this, we implemented a comprehensive communication plan that included regular updates, team meetings, one-to-one discussions, and more. We also provided targeted training sessions to familiarize the team with the C electrical and its functionalities, from automatic wire numbering to customized bill of material and producing the production file automatically. By proactively addressing the concerns and providing a clear information about the roadmap, we were able together to mitigate the resistance and build a sense of trust with the team. Another key challenge also was ensuring the stakeholder involvement. As we knew that the C electrical won't affect only the design department, we recognized that the success of the integration depended on the support of various stakeholders, including executives, department heads, and end users, of course. As the C electrical integration have a ramification not only, as I mentioned before, on the design department, but the entirety of our processes. In the panel building activity, we established a stakeholder management plan that included regular meetings, feedback mechanisms, and clear communication channels. By actively involving stakeholders through the project, we were able to align our expectations, address the concerns, of course, and secure the necessary trust and desire to make it work. Highlighting the gains and benefits using the C electrical across the supply chain, we're able to customize and export reports, save up to around 25% of the time required to produce the production file with all its derivatives. We fueled our momentum by highlighting these gains. So throughout our journey, we always kept in mind that continuous development is a key success factor to this project. Here are some of the key developments we have implemented throughout our integration journey. So one of these projects was the automatic estimation of the required working hours. We have a vast database of products that consists of around 16,000 port references, with over 5,000 of them being commonly used in our projects in the panel manufacturing. The challenge was that most of our products can include any number of combinations of these references, which is quite challenging to be able to have an accurate estimation for the required production and assembly times, for especially the ETO projects, which presents a significant percentage of our projects. So we have started by a detailed measurement and analysis of the time required for the assembly in the shop floor to ensure that our estimations are as precise as possible. Then we moved on to categorizing all of these references in categories based on their assembly times for both the mechanical and the electrical assembly. Once we finished our analysis and the categorization of all of the references, we started by creating an algorithm that should be as agile as possible and be able to entertain any number of combinations of these references, no matter what is the combination for this panel of this project. Finally, we integrated our estimation algorithm into the C electrical report generator, which allowed us to estimate our working hours for any project. And it basically helped us through being a fertile soil for this integration. So one of our imperative chapters in our transformation is the activation of the auto-generate module and development of innovative in-house software. So let me walk you through. The auto-generate is a powerful module in the C electrical that can significantly streamline the process of creating electrical diagrams. It allows you to automatically generate circuit diagrams from data stored in Microsoft Excel. This can be particularly useful if you need to create similar diagrams in various configurations in your panels, based, of course, on the customer requirements. Yet, as I mentioned before, that most of the projects that we have are ETO projects. So the problem statement that we faced was, how can we create an algorithm that is agile and adaptable enough that can go through as much variations as possible, especially when it comes to the panel general arrangement. Our vision extended beyond the immediate benefit of the auto-generate module. We recognized the potential to further streamline our workflow as we decided to develop an in-house software that would seamlessly integrate with this powerful tool. This software, which we named GTC, short for Gila Technical Configurator, we designed to automate the data preparation process of the required Excel sheets for the auto-generate module, and also act as a quotation tool for the tendering. So the end goal would be centralizing the technical engineering processes. After a trial period for the auto-generate module, we decided to move forward with acquiring it after presenting the business case for the board and the vision for the project alongside the roadmap for development. After a road full of ups and downs, that we have finally reached our goal, which was developing the GTC. The significant gains in terms of process optimization from the RFQ till the production file issuance indicate in our projections at least 50% in terms of time savings. On the other hand, reduce the redundancies in communication between both tendering and design departments. So at the end, this boils down to giving us a competitive edge in the market. Currently, we're happy to announce that we are currently in the phase of on-ground testing for the GTC in our design department and tendering department. So we can tell you, actually, we are very optimistic about the results and looking forward to the evolution of the GTC further and further in the near future.
Last but not least, we would like to be speaking about the best case practices and the key lessons we have learned throughout our journey. First of all, One of our most valuable lessons that we learned was the importance of timely course correction. When it became evident that the initial project course was not delivering the desired outcomes, we made the strategic decision to change the project manager. This early intervention proved to be a turning point. The new project manager brought a fresh perspective, identified critical areas for improvement, and implemented strategies that align more effectively with our goals. This proactive step ultimately contributed to the successful integration of the CE Electric into operations. Moving on, our successful integration of the CE Electric was greatly influenced by a commitment to continuous development and optimization. By setting clear, detailed milestones and leveraging the invaluable support of the ETAP team, we were able to fully harness the software's capabilities. This collaborative approach ensured that we were constantly exploring new features, addressing challenges proactively, and extracting maximum value from our investment in CE Electric. Last but not least, our successful integration of the CE Electrical was a testament to our resilience and commitment to change. Despite the challenges and resistance we overcame, we realized the full potential of the software. The journey taught us the importance of staying focused, addressing concerns, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement in our factory. We have come to the end of our presentation. I hope we have been of great support going through our journey of integrating the CE Electrical at Gila Al-Tawakol Electric. We would like to express our utmost gratitude for the ETAP team for their continuous support. And we are excited for what our journey is holding in the future. Thank you everyone for your time. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to approach me and Ahmed Turki. See you and bye-bye.